Ali originally started making a second nest over in that corner over there, and then I ended up moving her eggs from her old nest and some of the poo stuff that was there. I put them up here, right, where she is now, and she's decided that she wants to build another nest up here with the eggs, the ones that she's already abandoned. It's like, she's so cute. I'm literally half falling over right now, but I can't not make a quick video of how cute she is doing this. Oh. I hope I'm actually seeing this because I feel like I'm hallucinating right now. Look, literally, it's only been a few minutes and she's already got like 3 or 4 things up there to put with it. Come on, babe, you've abandoned those eggs, remember? Do you want to come down? Oh, okay. But you're going to be going in a minute anyway.